Imagine learning that a single corporation, one most people couldn't name, controls assets worth nearly half of America's entire economic output. And when combined with just two others, that small group effectively holds influence over almost 90% of the most powerful companies in the United States. It sounds unreal, but this is only the beginning. What follows isn't speculation or fantasy. Every claim is grounded in documented facts as we expose 10 corporations whose influence quietly shapes the modern world. Number 10. NVIDIA. Some companies make this list not only because of the power they hold today, but because of the control they're positioned to gain tomorrow. Not long ago, NVIDIA was a brand gamers recognized during loading screens. Now, it dominates headlines worldwide. So what changed? At its core, NVIDIA designs graphics processing units, GPUs. These chips translate digital instructions into visual output, powering everything from gaming to advanced simulations. But GPUs also turned out to be essential for artificial intelligence. AI systems rely on massive data centers filled with interconnected machines, and GPUs are the engines that make those computations possible. AI doesn't think. It brute forces possibilities at scale, and NVIDIA supplies the hardware that makes that scale achievable. Years before AI became mainstream, NVIDIA anticipated this shift. While skeptics questioned the move, the company invested heavily in programmable GPUs optimized for machine learning. That decision paid off. Long before ChatGPT entered public awareness, NVIDIA hardware was already training it, using tens of thousands of NVIDIA chips. Today, nearly every major tech firm depends on NVIDIA's processors. Google, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Tesla all rely on its technology. Even companies attempting to build their own chips remain far behind. NVIDIA now controls roughly 80% of the GPU market, which helps explain how its valuation exploded from $364 billion in 2023 to over $3.6 trillion just a year later, briefly making it the most valuable company on Earth. The downside? The entire AI economy is now tied to the production capacity of a single company. Supply shortages are already impacting firms like Supermicro Computer, which has reported missed expectations due to NVIDIA's inability to meet demand. Number 9. Saudi Aramco. When people think of oil giants, they often name Exxon, Shell, or BP, but none of them come close to Saudi Aramco. Based in Saudi Arabia, Aramco has benefited from global instability, supply disruptions, and rising energy prices. The result? Record-breaking profits. In 1 year alone, Aramco generated over $592 billion in revenue and $156 billion in profit, far surpassing every competitor. Exxon's $56 billion profit in the same period barely registers by comparison. Ownership explains part of this dominance. Roughly 92% of Aramco belongs to the Saudi government, with the remaining stake held by the country's sovereign wealth fund. Since Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman consolidated power in 2018, wealth within the oil sector has been aggressively centralized. Following a controversial crackdown involving business elites and royals detained at the Ritz-Carlton, over $100 billion was transferred back to state control. Since then, Saudi oil tycoons have vanished from global billionaire rankings. Much of Aramco's wealth now funds Saudi Arabia's transformation efforts, including massive infrastructure projects and international influence campaigns. The most ambitious of these is NEOM, a proposed AI-powered megacity built as a straight line across the desert. Whether visionary or unrealistic, projects like this reflect how oil profits are being converted into long-term geopolitical power. Number 8. BlackRock. When people imagine companies that run the world, they often think of banks or media empires. But some of the most powerful players remain largely invisible. BlackRock is one of them. Operating as a fiduciary, BlackRock manages investments on behalf of others. Through mutual funds and asset portfolios, it has amassed control over an astonishing $11.5 trillion. To put that into perspective, that figure exceeds the combined government spending of the world's 10 richest nations. This scale grants BlackRock enormous influence over corporate decisions across nearly every major U.S. industry. The company also operates internationally, including deep involvement in China's financial markets. It was the first foreign firm granted access to China's bond markets and later launched a mutual fund business there, moves that raised serious concerns among U.S. lawmakers. Investigations later revealed BlackRock investments in Chinese companies linked to military development, surveillance technology, and forced labor operations. Critics argue that when profit conflicts with ethics or national interests, BlackRock consistently prioritizes the bottom line. Number 7. Vanguard. Vanguard, another member of the so-called Big Three, wields similar influence. Together, BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street collectively hold controlling stakes in nearly 88% of America's largest companies. When corporations justify decisions by citing shareholder obligations, they aren't referring to small retail investors. they're answering to firms like Vanguard. Unlike BlackRock, Vanguard has openly acknowledged its role in shaping corporate governance. Former CEO William McNabb made it clear that passive investing does not mean passive control. This power expanded rapidly after the 2008 financial crisis, when investors fled expensive, actively managed funds in favor of low-cost index funds. Trillions of dollars flowed into Vanguard, BlackRock, and State Street, allowing them to quietly consolidate control over entire industries. Number 6. State Street. State Street completes the big three. Its influence stretches across banking, aviation, and finance. Major banks like JP Chase, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup all fall under its shareholder control. Airlines like Delta, United, and American Airlines answer to the same entities. With minimal competition remaining, fees rise, service declines, and consumer choice evaporates. In 2021, State Street was fined $115 million after being caught overcharging clients for years. Despite this, it continues to manage over $4.7 trillion in assets. Number 5. Comcast. Disney may dominate pop culture, but Comcast dominates infrastructure. Through NBC Universal, Comcast owns major TV networks, streaming platforms, film studios, and theme parks. It also controls Xfinity, one of the largest internet providers in the US. In many regions, Comcast operates as a monopoly. Tens of millions of Americans have no viable alternative for high-speed internet. Unsurprisingly, complaints about pricing and service are widespread. Comcast's reach also extends internationally through Sky, Europe's largest pay TV provider. Number 4. Walmart. Walmart isn't just a retailer, it's the world's largest employer. With over 2 million workers, its influence extends deep into global manufacturing. Walmart doesn't simply place orders, it dictates pricing, production methods, and timelines. This pressure has destroyed countless American manufacturers, forcing outsourcing, wage suppression, and factory closures. Communities suffer as local businesses collapse, wages decline, and economic diversity disappears. Walmart employees earn significantly less than comparable retail workers, and union efforts are aggressively resisted. Number 3. Johnson & Johnson. Known for baby products, Johnson & Johnson is actually the world's largest pharmaceutical company by value. Its portfolio includes everything from Tylenol to Band-Aids, contact lenses to antiseptics. Many consumers never realize how many products trace back to the same source. Over half of J&J's revenue comes from pharmaceuticals, often marketed under different brand names. The company has also faced major lawsuits, including cases involving asbestos-contaminated talcum powder linked to ovarian cancer. Number 2. Cargill. Cargill is the largest private company in America, generating an estimated $160 billion annually. It sits at the center of global food production, controlling vast portions of agricultural supply chains. Experts estimate that just 4 firms handle most of the world's agricultural commodities, and Cargill is one of them. The company has been linked to environmental destruction, toxic waste dumping, child labor, and forced labor across multiple countries. Its private status shields it from public accountability. Number 1. Nestlé. Nestlé isn't just a food company, it's a water empire. As water scarcity worsens globally, Nestlé has aggressively extracted groundwater from public sources, bottled it, and sold it back at massive markups. In places like Michigan, Nestlé paid minimal fees while pumping millions of gallons annually, often depleting local water supplies. Alongside this, the company has repeatedly been implicated in child labor scandals within its cocoa supply chain. So now that you know which companies quietly shape the world, which one surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious how long corporate power has existed, check out the oldest companies still operating today.